Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text to your Likee video edits. If you want to make your content stand out with captions, quotes or creative levels, then here is how you do it. First of all, open up the Likee app on your smartphone and make sure it is updated to the latest version, and also don't forget to log into your account. Once logged into the home page, click on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. This will now take you to your camera option. From here, you can take a picture or record a video by tapping on the red circle at the bottom. To add an existing video or picture, click on Upload at the bottom left. Now select a video or photo you want to add text on. After selecting the video, click Next at the bottom right. Now once you upload your video and you get to this preview screen, click on Subtitle at the top right corner. Type in the text you'd like to add on the screen. You can write down anything, a fun code, a hashtag or a reaction. And once you type down the text, you can go ahead and zoom in or zoom out the text layer and put it on a desired location within the screen. Now once you've typed down the text, you can customize the text by changing the font style, color, and size. To change the font style, go to the top section and tap on the little AA icon in the middle one over there and select your font from the menu at the bottom. You will be able to find multiple font options. Select one of your liking and tap on the tick mark at the bottom. Now if you want to further edit the text, then you can simply go ahead and click on the option that says A with the little stars on it at the top right. And here you can add colors to your fonts as well. To change the color of your font, simply tap on the first option at the top and select the font color and style displayed at the bottom. And that's how you can easily add text in your Likee videos. Now go ahead and adjust the video and put it in the desired area within the frame. You can zoom in or zoom out the video by clicking on this little arrow at the bottom, stretch it according to your need, and once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and tap tick mark at the bottom right. Now there you have your video with text or subtitles in it. Click on the next button at the bottom. You can also go ahead and add filters, stickers, musics, etc. to the video and tap on next to the bottom. Now go ahead and add appropriate description and hashtags to get more views on your video, and finally click on post at the bottom right. And that's how you add awesome text to your Likee edits. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.